Hi everyone, for today's video, I'm going to show you on how we are going to add someone on WhatsApp. Let's get started. Firstly, we can go ahead and log into our WhatsApp account. So once we are here, all we need to do then is to click the chat icon, and right after that, we will be routed on this part. And if you notice on our screen right now, we do have here the pencil icon. We're going to click this one. And once we are routed on this part, we can go ahead and click new contact. We're going to click this. And basically, we can now input the first and last name on that particular person. So we can go ahead and type that one in. So just like, for example, this one. And right after that, we can go ahead and type in the mobile number. So just like, for example, we're just going to type that one in. And right after that, we're going to click save. And basically the particular account is already added on our WhatsApp. So with that, we can go ahead and send a message on this particular person. So with that, that's how we are going to add someone on WhatsApp. I hope this video was helpful. Until the next one.